The Nagaland Health and Family Welfare Department today conducted a surprise checking at the fish auctionery located at Sematila in Dimapur early this morning. The checking was conducted to test presence of formalin and any other chemicals on fish imported from Andhra Pradesh. The fish auctionery at Sematila is one of the prime fish auctionery which distributes fish to different districts of Nagaland. A team of food safety officials who were amongst the inspecting team took the samples of various types of fish and conducted preliminary tests at the spot, the result of which is awaited. If the test results are positive, further investigation will be carried out to determine the level of chemicals present in the fish. Well, the results are expected after 14 days since the day of testing.
Think of a Dimapur zone where Dimapur zone covers 5 districts: Mon, Paren, Dimapur, Chamukidima and Newland. We have come to this area. This is the main auction area, and this place is called Sematila, where the fish auction is mainly done here, and that is why we have selected this very place. Well, we have come here, and this is as per the directive from the higher up. This is just to create an awareness, to clear the doubt that the public are also having. So we have reached the spot today to examine and also to conducting all these testings. So based on all this report, the cabinet will further take up the final decision. We are doing this testing is actually, this is a preliminary testing, and we will do with the testing kit. So based on the finding, if any positive happens to turn out, then we will collect the legal sample. Yeah, our main motive is to check whether there is any chemical laced in the food items. Today we have collected, as of now, we have already collected 2 varieties. This is Rahu and Katla. So as and when some few, the fish owners comes, the FBOs comes, we'll also be conducting some more fish species. So actually that depends on the demand. So in a week about 2 trucks come, and then in a month about 7 to 8 trucks comes here and they distribute from here. Here in this Sematila, here in this fish auction area, it comes from Andhra Pradesh. And also actually, it enters a 3 exit point. So here, as far as Dimapur is concerned, from here, this auction area, it goes to the other parts of the testing districts. And also like Mon, it has got its own, the entry point is different. So likewise, Makokchin also entry point is different. So as of now here in Dimapur, the fish is, it has come from Andhra. And we have, this is our continuous activities. We have been conducting the checking now and then as per the report that we received, it is free from all this formalin. Anyway, as per our normal activity, we keep on conducting, we keep on collecting the fish samples, and we are getting the report, and it is the reports are confirmed to be within the standard. It is no more treated with formalin, but to be to be safer, to be on the safer side. This is our normal activity. This is to create awareness to the general public. So this is how we are conducting this activity.